Let's take a look at Appian's low-code actions and templates. A good way to demonstrate this is downloading a pre-built process straight from the app market. So if I come into the Appian app market and filter by robotic processes, I can come in and see all of the pre-made templates available to me. All of these templates include the workflows, the actual bot code, the configuration files, and maybe any dependencies like Appian apps or plugins, things like that. So you can see I've downloaded this RPA template. It has been downloaded as a zip. I can head over to the RPA console and upload that zip right to my robotic processes. So I will select the RPA configuration and click import. You can see it is imported successfully. Now there's nothing available yet because we haven't executed anything, but if we go over to the configuration page, we can see what we got. So these are some Appian low-code variables. These can be accessed through the workflow and inside, and when the bot is executing, this is where you would save information into your variables. And you can see we also get a workflow straight out of the box. The workflow is hooked up to different methods. You can see we're getting email from Outlook, we're saving them as attachments, we're uploading attachments to Appian, and we are sending all of this data to an Appian process model. So this is a start process low-code action that sends those workflow variables up to an Appian process, but no process available. That's because this robotic process has a dependency on an Appian application. So we can go ahead and import that very quickly. We will just come in to Appian and select our Appian email retrieval app that came with that App Store download. We will click import. This will quickly import the application. That is done. And we can head back over to our RPA console and refresh the page. Come down to our low-code action, and you can see now that the process has been found because we imported the application, the dependent application, and you can see all of our workflow variables have been assigned to the input parameters, and the output is saving to another workflow variable here. So that all looks good. We just need to tell the robotic process what the email address of the Outlook inbox we want to look for. So it's viewfinance@gmail.com. We will simply save and execute. So this will find the Outlook email account, viewfinance@gmail, look inside the inbox folder, grab any emails with their attachments, send those to the Appian process model to be processed in the Appian platform. So go ahead and execute that. You can see that real-time updates. Outlook has been opened. The emails are being scraped. They're being moved to the process documents folder. Each of those emails are being sent over to the Appian start process low-code action. You can see the workflow moving everything along. Everything's been scraped. Our results are in. 3 emails uploaded successfully. It's going to finish out the process. You can see everything uploaded successfully. Now if we come over to our actual application, we can go ahead inside the Appian email retrieval application, check out the monitoring tab. These show 3 new processes that have been kicked off. There are simple processes that just created a user input task. We can go ahead and view the form straight from the process model. And you can see our email retrieval sent up that first email with no attachment. You can see the body come through. That's great. Let's see, are there any other tasks? Maybe one with attachments. This one had an attachment here, or the multiple attachments one. You can see our document viewer is bringing those attachments, and it looks very beautiful in Appian, along with the email metadata section. So you can see with Appian RPA, it's very easy to create integrations to process models with these no-code actions in Appian RPA's workflow tool. You just simply drag in the no-code action, select your process model right from the modal window, and it's all discoverable. Every single process is discoverable through this modal, so I can just pick any one I want, and then I create my low-code variables, save my information to those variables, click OK, and there you have it. A seamless integration between the Appian platform and the RPA console.